Wildfires are a severe threat across Europe. These fires are becoming more intense and widespread because of climate change and are causing significant damage. TREEADS, an EU-funded project with 47 partners, is tackling this problem in a holistic manner.
So the main objective of the TREEADS is to develop state-of-the-art technologies and unite these technologies in holistic fire ecosystem. So all these technologies will answer different problems in different parts of the wildfires, such as prevention, restoration, detection, and response. And we also develop advanced technologies, solutions, models, and decision support systems for firefighters, first responders, and local authorities.
At the heart of the project are the 8 pilot regions where the various solutions are tested. The pilot in Austria, hosted at the Gumpoldskirchen fire brigade, focuses on a scenario of a peri-urban forest fire.
The main goals of the pilot, the TREEADS pilot in Austria, is that we can use these developed integrated solutions in the way of a forest fire. And the firefighters have the benefit and the chance to use different new technologies to test it, to give them a request and to give them a feedback how these technologies were to handle and to use.
To test the different tools, a fire was simulated in a quarry close to the fire brigade, where some of the partners also took measurements.
We are measuring mainly temperatures today, and we are mainly interested in fire spread, so we are using this data to assess the fire spread in the local vegetation.
TREEADS considers all stages of fire management: prevention and preparedness, detection and response, as well as restoration and adaptation. Let's start with prevention, which uses a lot of data.
The University of Salamanca developed a fire propagation model called wildfire, which is able to simulate the temporal and spatial pattern of the fire and also considers meteorological and fuel data. And the unique feature is that we are able to simulate the fire even faster than in real time, and it also takes into account fire suppression measures.
Improving the preparedness for wildfires is next. At the Austrian pilots, a virtual reality system for first responders was tested.
We are using as goggles the Quest 3, the Meta Quest 3 devices. And by this we have our own laptop solution that works as a server and where we are doing the simulation. And we can enter up to 8 people doing the virtual reality training for especially leadership. And by this we can simulate all the technologies of the projects within in a browser-based version.
TREEADS also tackles the response phase, in which an augmented reality helmet can provide information about the situation in the field.
For example, it can provide helpful information in an interactive way about the environmental conditions, like the temperature in the field, like the carbon monoxide of the field, the location of the other team members, and actually protect its crew.
After fires, effective reforestation allows the forest to recover quickly. TREEADS uses drones and so-called seed balls that are shot directly into the ground to grow new trees.
This seed container capsule, that inside goes the seed, the hydrogel to keep the humidity, a special soil preparation for the nutrients of the new seedling, and also it's a biodegradable biopolymer on the soil. You do not have to collect it back. This is used mainly in post-firing conditions, of course. This will be very useful to reforest the slopes because of the accessibility problem. You know, with manual reforestation, you cannot access there, or it's unsafe, let's say. And you can adapt the flight trajectory so that it shoots directly into the slopes.
All in all, the TREEADS solutions will contribute to sustainable development and, of course, improve fire response activities.
We can use these resumes and results from this project for a better assistance, and we can save lives, and we can take our action in a shorter way. And on the otherwise, we can reduce the main power of the firefighters in such a situation.